All right, folks, what we have here is an Oldsmobile Super 88. It's a four-door sedan. Man, look at the grill in this car. There's been some money spent on this car. Lord, the bumper and the grill all look nice. It's a 1957 model. This paint is great. It's got a little hint of, looks like green in it. Look at this interior. It's got an underdash, add-on AC. Look at that instrument cluster in dash. Man, what a beautiful car. Yeah, this probably not going to show up, but is this a factory color on this car?
Yep.
What color would that be?
It's called Platinum Mist.
Yeah, it's got like a little shade of green or something in it, doesn't it?
Very slightly. The one in the GM Heritage is a little bit darker green.
Is it?
You can
Okay.
see it.
Yeah.
This is just barely.
Well, I do paint work, so I can spot stuff like that, but I definitely can see a little hint of green. It's beautiful, man. It really looks nice. Get you a look at the tail end of it here. Check that out, folks. That is beautiful. Holy cow. Almost like it's brand new.
This car had 28,000 miles when you got it.
28,000 miles when you got it?
5 years ago.
Okay, 5 years ago, folks. 28,000 mile car. Very nice. I like this little window cut out here. That is nice. You hungry? There you have it. 57 old Super 88. Bet you won't find too many of these on YouTube. You got to go to Bob's Classic Cars and Parts now. All right.